For the tournament, you'll need two devices. One device you will actually be playing your game on, preferably your laptop, and another device to engage in the Zoom call or video call, preferably your phone, your tablet, another computer, whatever that may be. In my circumstance, I'll be using this laptop as my first device, or the device I'll be using to play the game, and my camera, shooting this video right now, as my second device to access my video call. On the day of the tournament, make sure that you have these two devices close together. Using your second device, you will access Zoom and you will go onto the video call. When you're in the video call, make sure you angle your camera to include everything that's being included in the camera right now. You will be required to show your face, your upper body, your hand or playing position, and your first device. So make sure you have all those elements covered.